The key to a higher emotional intelligence is self-awareness, the ability to observe yourself, the ability to observe your behavior and your thoughts, and therefore get a better understanding of who you really are and your relationships with other people. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Andrea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my next videos. Self-awareness means that you have a clear picture in the way you perceive yourself, your strength, your weaknesses, your thoughts, the things that motivate you, your beliefs, and while you identify your values and your strength, you have the ability and the knowing to correct them. Self-awareness is really important in leadership, for instance, because when you are more self-aware, you are more confident, increases your communication and your decision-making ability. There are two types of awareness. An internal one, the way you perceive yourself, and an external awareness, how you are perceived by other people. In my personal opinion, the internal awareness is a lot more important as you tune into your feelings. You get to understand others as well and where they are coming from. You also get to know your preferences and you get to know yourself better. How you gain self-awareness? The way you get self-awareness is to work on your mindfulness, on recognizing your emotions without beating up on yourself. Try to be solution-oriented without asking the whys. Why did I did it wrong? Why did this happen to me? Free yourself from the burden of judging yourself. The less negative emotion you feel, the more you allow that broader perspective of you to flow into your experience. As you get to see the world around you the way your inner being sees it, you get to control the outcome of your experience. The more you care about feeling good, the more positive experiences you will have. Spiritual awareness is when you become aware of your inner being and your relationship with your inner being as an awareness of love and peace. To increase your self-awareness and your mindfulness, make sure that you have at least 15 minutes of meditation every morning. Meditation is really helpful when you do it in the morning because you don't have so many things on your mind and it's easier for you to detach yourself. You can have body scanning meditations or simply just clear your mind from all your thoughts and focus on your breathing. These meditations are really good to help you feel more like being in the now, to be more present. I am meditations are really good for feeling more present. I will put a link in the description if you want to try this out. Become an observer of your thoughts from time to time and try to be more present in the now. Mindfulness practices reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. As you develop your own relationship with your inner being, you will notice how you will be guided by your emotions to take actions that will bring you more satisfaction. So, emotional intelligence is the ability of you to recognize, understand, and then being able to change your emotions and your thoughts. Gain your vibrational stability and you will be able to influence other people's emotions as well. Emotional intelligence can be broken down into 4 main categories: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and relationship management. But in today's video, I wanted to talk about the most relevant to me, which is the self-awareness, because when you find alignment with your inner being, then all the other areas in your life will fall into place, including your relationships with others. This is it for today. If you find my video helpful, make sure to like and leave a comment. Until next time, bye.